What's up guys, I'm Kyle at Fortune Off-Road. In this video we're smoking some pork chops out on the Rubicon Trail. Got this nice little pond here behind us. We are right at where you would take a right turn to go up Little Sluice. It's time for me to make some dinner, so I've got some pork chops that I'm gonna smoke on the Weber Go Anywhere. The coolest thing about taking this camping is you can fit pretty much everything inside. I could put the charcoal in there if I wanted to, but I just grabbed the whole bag. Check this out. Got the chimney, meat probe, scraper, lighter, my pan, and my grates are on the very bottom. Alright, so we've got the coals and everything set up, and here we've got pork rib chops, 1.5 pounds, kind of medium thickness. We're roughing it, no seasoning, no cleaning them off, nothing. So we got the usual about 13 or so coals over here. These are the unlit ones, those ones are lit. Got the vent backwards. The heck? There we go. There we go. The vent's open on the bottom, sucking that heat in through the pork chop and then out the exhaust right there. So I'm gonna give this about 7 minutes. We'll rotate, and then every 7 minutes we'll flip and rotate. You know, I put a bunch more charcoal in this thing than I normally do. We're getting up there. We're at a little over 250 now. We're just enjoying the view and this lovely sound of the V8 revving up there. Steering issues and onboard welder to the rescue. All right, that was actually closer to probably 10 minutes. Looks like oh man, they're getting some good color already. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna rotate these around. Yeah, looking pretty good, right? Okay, this time really I'm gonna do 7 minutes. All right, that's been 7 minutes. Look at the color on these things, it looks great. So one of the really important questions if you're using a ThermPro like this is what temperature are we shooting for? It used to be you had to get pork up to 165. More recently, it's been acceptable down at 145. I find it's a little too chewy when it's at 145. So I'm gonna take it to 165. So it's time to flip. Looking real good. Love the color. Let's see what we're at right now. It's probably pretty low. 107, a little bit over 100. Not bad. 7 more minutes. Then, after we rotate them, go directly over the coals. Right, that's the timer. That was 10 minutes. Oh man, it's my favorite part of seeing the color on these things as they cook. 115, 120. All right. Came across some seasoning. Put a little bit of that on there right now. Hopefully it soaks it up. 10 more minutes and then we're gonna go over the coals. All right, it's been about 40 minutes here. Oh my gosh, look at that color. If I can get the camera on it, you can see it. Let's see what temp we're at here. 125. 100 and, yeah, they're about the same. Okay, this is going a little bit slower than I'm used to because I'm used to doing beef on here, and the beef only needs to go like 125, 130. Throw it on the coals. I'm gonna go over to the coals right now with this pork chop and we'll see how that looks. Oh, buddy, great color. So I'll just do a few minutes on each side. We'll see how that looks. I'm shooting for somewhere around like 155, 160. I'll accept. I'm getting hungry at this point. It's only about 6 o'clock, but as that sun gets down, temperature's gonna drop big time. Supposed to hit like, I think low 30s tonight. So I need 2 pork chops in my belly so I can sleep right. Hunter, what do you think about those pork chops?
Look good, real good.
Probably left them on that other side too long. Let's see what we're at here. Left-handed thermometer poke. Ooh, 140. Oh, dude, we're getting there. Probably gonna pull these off a little bit early and let them rest for a minute to see how long I can let that happen. All right, about 150 right now. Yeah, buddy. I just set this thing full blast, let her burn off. And then at night I can literally hear the cats in the neighborhood getting burnt on this thing. They'll come out of nowhere and they'll just start sniffing around, and then they hit it and just go flying off the counter in my backyard. And I can catch the whole thing on my Ring camera. Gonna give these things a good 5 minutes to cool off, maybe 10. I'm going barbarian style, bone in hand. So I have a fork and knife, but you know, when you're out here roughing it, eating it right off the bone, this thing is great. Usually when you get to this lighter part, it's a little bit tougher, but this is awesome. End up letting it sit for like roughly 10 minutes. It's just great. Tastes great. Everyone smells it. They want some too. I can't, you know, we're out here surviving. I might need all of it later, so sorry guys. Yeah, it's really good. If you haven't smoked pork chops on your Weber Go Anywhere, you should try it. I mean, maybe you could try smoking it like a rib, like you can see on the rib side of this. Got all browned up and pulling back from the bone. Pretty dang good when you're out camping. All right guys, thanks for checking out this video. I will see you guys in the next one.